Honourable member for Surrey Newton.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Mr. Speaker, every year in the heart of my riding of Surrey Newton, the Baisakhi and Khalsa Day Parade, organized by the Dashmesh Darbar Gurdwara, attracts more than 250,000 people, all participating in celebrating the birth of Khalsa. I invite all members of Parliament and all Canadians to join us on April 22nd. It is the largest celebration in the world outside of India and an amazing display of the diverse, multicultural character of our country. I am proud to be the host MP for such a joyous occasion, and I want to send my best wishes to all Canadians celebrating Baisakhi and Khalsa Day. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਔਰ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਦੇ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ। Happy Baisakhi and happy Khalsa Day.
Honourable member